Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create natural and clean coloring for your videos in CapCut. So just add your clips and go to adjust. Here, for the brightness, lower it to -8 and the contrast increase it to 15, saturation 20, brilliance increase it to -15, and then increase the sharpness into 35. Okay, now find highlight, increase to 220, shadows 15, temperature 5, and the hue 10. Now this is just click on the check icon, and this is the last step. Go to overlay, add overlay, and then add the white color overlay from the stock videos. Okay, this one, click on add. So just fit the size now, and after that go to blend, choose lighten and lower it to 8. Okay, click on the check icon and you are done, and this will be the result. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.